RSI Stochastic. It is basically an indicator which shows strength of a stock having value from 0 to 100, where 0 signifies a stock has 0 strength and 100 indicates stock has full strength. Whenever 0 on RSI is reached, market tend to behave and give bearish move, and whenever the market is reaching the RSI is reaching 100, it indicates bullish move. It is mostly, not always, there are few conditions on which it actually shows these parameters and figures. We will talk about this. However, right now if you can see this chart, let's start from here. When the RSI value is in overbought zone, which means basically it is in upward section, the price action candle is upward, and when it started going down, the price action candle actually also came down, and when it started going up and stayed in overbought zone, went up and stayed in overbought zone, it is showing strength in a stock. And when the strength is high, what stock will do? It will go upward, and when the strength is low, the stock will go downwards. Now the RSI is going down, a particular stock is actually going down. When the RSI is again going up, a particular stock is actually going up. Again it is going down, it is going down. So basically price action candle derives the RSI value. Whenever there are two signs, whenever the RSI is giving a straight line in overbought zone, it indicates bullish move in the market, and whenever the RSI value is showing a straight line in oversold zone, it indicates bearish move in the market. So very important concept to understand.